In the next 20 minutes, you're going to learn all the salsa steps that you need as a follower to survive a full salsa song. We're going to start nice and simple, just with walking. You can walk to the back, or you can walk to the front, doesn't matter. Use your space, walk around your living room, and just keep the rhythm. And we start with the steps, because this is by far the fastest way to learn salsa. Also as a follower. And keep the rhythm. This is the rhythm, starting with the right to the back. Right, left, right. To the front, left, right, left. With a count. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3. This is the salsa rhythm. We're already on the salsa rhythm. Now we'll do just one step to the back and one step to the front. Let's go. 1, back, in place, front. Now 1 to the front, front, in place, back. Yeah, that's it. Back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Try to make small steps and use the balls of your feet, especially when going to the back. It will help you with your balance and stability. Again, back, 2, 3. Now notice the line. There's a line here on the floor. You can imagine a line, and this is your home. As a follower, you're always on the line, either facing your partner or changing places, but still keeping the line. Your partner can clear the line while leading you to switch places. We'll do it right now, only the steps. First watch, and then we do it together. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, just watch. Front, rotate, step to the back. Let's do it again, switching places. On the line, let's go. Back, 2, 3, now front, rotate to the left, and step to the back. Back, you always start to the back, and make sure that you don't fall to the back. Don't fall on the heel. Small step, and on the balls of the feet. It will help you keep your balance. Back, 2, 3, let's do it again, switching places. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, front, rotate to the left, and step, now to the back. Back, 1 basic. And let's do it again, switching places. The step called crossbow the lead. 2, 3, forwards, rotate to the left, and step. Yeah, back, 2, 3. Notice everything follows the same formula, which is right, left, right, and left, right, left. Again, switching places. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Yes. Let's do it 2 times in a row. You ready? Switching places. Crossbow the lead. 2 times. Back, 2, 3. Front, rotate, step. Again. Back, 2, 3. Front, rotate, step to the back. Now there's another way to change places, which is half right turn. Very similar to crossbow the lead. We just turn to the right. This is the walk. Watch first. Back, 2, 3. Front, half right. Yes. Now let's try together. 1 basic. Now let's go. And walk 2 steps to the front. Back, 2, 3. Now, front, half right. Yes. Back, 2, 3. Let's do it again. The walk. Just walking 2 steps to the front. 1, 2, 3 on 5, 6. Front, half right. Basic. Again, make sure that your steps are small and you're on the line. Let's go again. Walk. Back. 2, 3 to the front. Front, half right. Back. 2, 3. Now let's try to do the crossbow the lead and the walk. Let's go. Crossbow the lead. This is half left. We step, rotate, and step. Now the walk. Back, 2, 3. We go 2 times to the front. Front, rotate to the back. Let's do it one more time. Crossbody lead and the walk. And then we'll do some turns. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, crossbody lead, front, rotate in place. To the back, walk, 2, 3, 2 times to the front. Front, rotate, yeah, back. Let's do 1, switch places, crossbody lead, 1, 2, 3, just crossbody lead, step, rotate, step now, step to the back, basic. Now we'll do the single right turn. The most common turn in salsa by far. Not that difficult, especially when you practice your feet first. So first watch, it will be 5, 6, 7. Now let's try together. 1 basic, and the turn starts on 5. Same to the back now, front on 5, front, rotate, spin to the back, back. This is a single right turn. Let's do it again. Keep small steps. 1, 2, 3, small step on 5, rotate, spin to the back. 1, 2, 3. Let's try one after the other. Let's go. 1, single right turn starting now. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Step, rotate, turn. Now, a few tips about the head. Notice the head. Back, 2, 3. I step, look here and back. Notice, let's try it with me. Wait, let's go right now with the head. Back, 2, 3. You step to the front, look to the back and back. Back on the line and of course facing our partner. Last time, then we move on. Back, 2, 3. We go forward, rotate and spin back. Now, before we start the traveling turns, we'll do a nice prep. We'll do the walk, but with twists. You can watch first and then we do it together. Same walk we did before, but with twist. Back, 2, twist to the left, twist to the right, twist and half right. Back, 2, 3, try it with me and walk with gentle twists. Back and twist to the left, right, left and half right to the back. Let's try it again and walk with twists. Let's go. Back, 2, twist to the left, to the right, to the left and half right. Yeah, back. This is the walk with a twist. Now these twists will help us in the traveling turns because every twist is like a prep for a turn that your partner might lead. You want to be always prepared. You have no idea what's going to happen in real salsa dance. So now we're practicing the steps so you'll be ready for everything when you go out social dancing. Let's do last time the walk with the twist and then the traveling turns. Let's go! Walk, back, 2, twist, twist, twist and half right. Also try to put your hands up here, elbows up, no down, okay? It will help you to, again, be responsive to your leader. He might ask your hand, you need to give him your hand. You want him to have fun dancing with you, you need to be responsive. It's a communication, it's a conversation. But first the steps, of course. Now, traveling right turns. Watch first and then we do it together. We do 1 twist and then we turn. Back, 2, twist to the left, half right, half right, half right. Yeah, back. This is it. We turn with half turns on 5, 6 and 7. Try it with me. 5, 6, 7. Now, starting the same. 1, 2, twist. Now the turns. Turn, turn, turn to the back. Yes, this is traveling right turn. Let's go again. 1 twist and then the turns. Back, 2, twist, turn, turn, turn to the back. Yeah, these are the traveling right turns. Let's practice them. Again, back, 2, twist to the left and right, left, right, to the back. Now, again, make sure that you're stepping on the balls of your feet and making small steps. Both are very important. If you're not stepping on the balls of the feet, it will be hard for you to turn. If you do big steps, you will lose your balance. Let's go again. One basic and traveling right turn. Let's go. Back, 2, twist now to the right. Right, right, right to the back. Notice we end the turns on 7. Half a turn on 5, then on 6, and then on 7. Again, 2, 3, wait. Now, let's go, traveling right turn. Back, 2, twist to the right. Half right, half right, half right. Back, and try to keep the line. Your partner will always assume that you are traveling on this line. So to be a great follower, this is one of the most important things. Try to keep your steps small and on the line. Traveling right turn again, and then we'll do traveling left turns. Let's go, traveling right turn. Back, 2, twist, turn, turn, turn to the back. Ready for the traveling left turns? Watch first. It's 2 twists. Back, 2, twist, twist, turn, turn, and 1. Yes, it ends on 1. Try it with me. 2 twists and then turns. Back, 2, twist, another twist, twist, turn, turn, back, 2, 3. So we turn on 6, 7, and 1. It's a different time than traveling right turns. So let's go again. Let's go. 2 twists. Back, 2, twist, twist, step, step, and back. Again, we're turning on 6, 7, and 1. Again, 1, 2, twist, twist, turn, turn, and step. 1. Again, on the balls of the feet. Try not to fall back on the heel. Keep your balance, and you are responsible for your balance, not your partner. You need to be responsible for your own steps. This is why you're learning the steps right now. 5, 6, 7. You ready? Traveling left turn, 2 twists. Let's go to the back. Back, twist to the left, twist to the right, step, step, and 1. Yeah, it ends with a little bit delay. These are the traveling left turns, the most common traveling turns in salsa, the left and the right turns. Let's do 2 of them, traveling right turn and then traveling left turn. Let's go to the back. Back, 2, twist, 1 twist, this is traveling right turns. Yes, traveling left turn, 1, 2, twist, another twist, twist, step, step, and 1, 2, 3, ready for 1 more? Traveling right turn and traveling left turn. Let's go. Back, 2, only 1 twist to the right. Turn, turn, turn to the back. Traveling left turn. Twist, another twist. Left, left to the back. Yeah, when I say left was turning to the left. 5, 6, 7. Try to keep the line. I know it might be difficult, might be challenging, but this is it. Trying to make the turns small and compacting. Okay, let's do it again. 5, traveling right turns. Let's go. Back, 2, twist, and to the right. Step, step, step to the back. Notice these are traveling turns. This is why we step. These are not spins, these are traveling turns. We change positions. Traveling left turn. Are you ready? Wait, 1 basic. And let's go. Traveling left turn. 2 twists. Back, 2, twist, twist, turn, turn, and 1. Facing your partner on 1. 5, 6, 7. This is the most common steps that you need to know to actually get on the dance floor and follow your partner and enjoy the music. Mastering these steps is almost everything for you to do all the complicated partners you see on the dance floor. Because you, as a follower, you don't care about what hands comes up, what hands he uses to turn it. He might use your shoulders, your hands, whatever. But these are the things that you're doing with your legs. Everything else is just variations of them, but this is the most common. 80% of what you see on the dance floor. These are these steps. So let's summarize and let's do all the steps so far. So this is the basic, yes? 5, 6, 7 to the back, 1. So this is the basic, we know that. Now we do the crossbody lead. Let's do one crossbody lead to the front. Now it's step, half left and step. Again, crossbody lead, back, 2, 3, front, rotate to the left and step. Now we walk, back, 2, 3, to the front, 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 half right. Again, walk, back, 2 times to the front, 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 half right. Yeah. We'll also have the single right turn. Let's do the single right turn 2 times to the back. Starting, we step to the front, front, rotate, spin to the back. Again, back, single right turn, front, rotate, spin to the back. Now traveling right turns, remember, only one twist. You know what, let's do the walk again 2 times with a twist. Walk with a twist, with all the twists, let's go. Back, 2, twist, 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 turn, yes. Again, 2, 3, twist, 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 again, walk with twist. Back, 2, twist, 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 half right, yes. Now the traveling right turn. You ready? 1, wait. Let's go right now, traveling right turn, 1 twist. Back, 2, twist, turn, 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 ending on 7. 1 basic, and again, traveling right turn, 5, 6, 7. Let's go, 1 twist. Back, 2, twist, turn, turn, turn to the back. Ready for the traveling left turn? Let's go, 2 twists. Back, 2, twist, twist, turn, turn. Now this is on 1, 1, yeah. Make sure on the balls of the feet, keep your balance. Again, traveling left turn. Twist, twist, turn, turn to the back. 1 full basic, and again, traveling left turns. 2 twists. Back, twist, twist, turn, turn. On the line, of course, 1. And this is it. Everything else is just variations of it. You, as a follower, you don't know what's coming. But if you know your steps, you'll be ready for everything. This is salsa. Now it's time to get your partner and practice together. See you in the next tutorial.